Now I can remove the big part, very easy for cleaning. If you want to remove this part, there are just some springs inside, nothing special. Be sure to protect the little iron part. I have a leather glove, and don't forget it will unscrew in the opposite direction. Some springs, nothing fancy.